Hi there, good day, and this is our update for today. Yesterday we just finished our boring, and we're gonna be continuing the roof frames today. Hopefully we have a good weather right now. Okay, so that's it. We're trying to finish the roofing maybe next week after the long weekends. Holidays. So that's it for now. We're gonna be giving you the updates on the cost of building this small stone house, so you have an idea if you want to build also yours. So right now we're still doing the toilet. Okay, here the toilet area, the window frames, door frames, some unfinished chimney wall. Yes, so that's it, and of course the roof. Okay, thank you for watching.